Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Today I am going to share a recipe with you that tastes wonderful. During zucchini season, we had some family members come and they shared this recipe from one of their extended family that they just loved. I tweaked it a bit because I like different things in it, so I will show you the recipe that I made up. We had 5 different kinds of squash this year in our garden, and the lemon drop squash was very prolific. So we had lots of it, and that's what I'm using mostly for this casserole today. But it doesn't matter what kind of zucchini you use. So first, boil some water, and then add the zucchini to the water and let it cook for about 10 or 15 minutes. When it's done, drain it and let it cool for a bit, and then chop it into smaller pieces. Set the zucchini aside and get out the following ingredients. About 1/4 to 1/2 pound of ground sausage. You can use pork sausage if you want to make it for like a breakfast casserole. I personally like to use Italian sausage because I love the seasoning, especially with the zucchini. You need some onion, some crushed graham crackers or panko or breadcrumbs, some grated Parmesan cheese, some cheddar cheese, a couple of eggs, some salt, thyme, garlic salt, and some pepper. And that's all you need. Chop your onion and saute it in your frying pan with a little bit of oil, and then add your sausage to the onion. I cooked mine ahead of time. Because it is pork sausage, make sure that it is cooked thoroughly. Whether it's the Italian sausage or regular ground pork, it doesn't matter, but just make sure it's cooked thoroughly. When your sausage is cooked all the way through, then add your squash to the sausage and onion and mix it around. You'll notice I'm not giving you measurements for these things, because you can just put some in and put as much as you want, or if you have extra stuff in the fridge you need to use up. If you have more cheese, it's not going to hurt it at all. So just be creative. So you've seen I've added the cheddar cheese and part of the Parmesan cheese. Next I add some salt, some thyme, some black pepper, and some garlic salt. Then I'm going to add the Panko breadcrumbs, but you can use regular breadcrumbs or you can use crackers, crushed crackers. And then I'm going to stir it around. When it's mixed well, then I'm going to add some eggs. You can use 2 to 4 eggs, whatever you want. And then mix it around, mix it well. When it's well mixed, you're going to put it in a greased casserole dish. And then I put extra Parmesan cheese on top because I really like Parmesan cheese. You're going to bake it at 350 for about 40 to 45 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. You can also stick a toothpick in the middle to make sure the eggs are done, that they're not gooey anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos just like this.